Hello and welcome to our video. In today's video we are bringing you our weekend in Las Vegas. We spent Friday and Saturday night there, although Friday we didn't get there till just a little before midnight, and the only thing we did was check into the Excalibur and walk the strip. Saturday morning we woke up and went and got a selfie at the fabulous Las Vegas sign. Early Saturday morning I took my sister and nephew to Hoover Dam, and no, we did not do the Dam tour. After visiting Hoover Dam, it was time to eat, and my nephew wanted to eat at Dick's Last Resort. I would have went to any other place but this place, but they did have really good fried pickles, and the rest of my family possibly got food poisoning today. After lunch, we decided to go and burn off some of those calories by walking the strip. Somehow we ended up in the Haus of Gaga, which features her custom outfits that she wears in her performances. Next, we visited the Coca-cola Store. Next, we decided to get a Deuce Bus pass. It's an easy and convenient way to get around Las Vegas, especially if you plan on drinking, but it may not be the most luxurious way to get around Las Vegas. Next up was the Bellagio Conservatory. This is a must for anybody that goes to Vegas. Although we've been to Vegas at least 25 times, we still have to see the Bellagio Fountains. After the fountains, we went to Mandalay Bay to walk the shops, where we found a really cool art gallery / shop. Here's Spencer's Instagram and his website if you are interested in looking at his artwork. For supper, we ate at Tap Sportsbar inside of Excalibur. The food and service were great. We would highly recommend this place. It was the best food that we ate all day. Definitely a step up from Dick's Last Resort. And now it's time to do a little bit of gambling.
Spin that wheel, hon. We want major. Come on, we need some mansions.
A retrigger.
We need retriggers now. Not very good. Gonna have to puff and blow your house in, huh? I guess it's 2 more places.
Here we are doing the walk of shame. We lost all of our money, so we had to go back to our room to get some more before we headed to the north end of the strip. Sunday morning before we headed back home, we went to Jesse Ray's Barbecue in Henderson. If you haven't tried this place, I would highly recommend it. It's some of the best barbecue in all of Vegas. And then after we got done eating, we went and checked out the Emerald Island Casino, which is a local joint. We had zero luck here. And before you knew it, our weekend in Vegas was over and it was time for us to head home. We'd like to thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, let's consider hitting that subscribe button. It's the quickest and easiest way for our channel to grow. And remember, life's full of adventures, and we will see you in the next one.